Hello, dear students. So, welcome you all. So, today's topic is logarithm. So, in logarithm, we learn how to find power of any number. Okay. So, what is the basic definition of logarithm is if a raised to x is equal to m, then x is called logarithm of m to the base a. What is it? Its meaning. Basically, you are not getting the meaning. So, I am telling you if ax equal to m, then you can write log of m to the base a equal to x. First of all, guys, we all want to know that what is the logarithm. ठीक है, logarithm क्या है बेसिकली. अगर हम उसकी बात करें बच्चों, लॉग एक मैथमेटिक्स है, मैथमेटिकल सीरीज है, एक तरह से कहेंगे हम, जिसमें हम किसी भी ऐसे नंबर का पावर जिसका कैलकुलेशन, जिसकी वैल्यू निकालना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, उसको हम इसके यूज से, बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ अनडिफाइंड नंबर्स. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू लर्न द बेसिक थिंग इन द लॉगरिथम, राइट. सो हियर ए का पावर क्या है बच्चों, x है, इक्वल टू m है, तो यू कैन राइट ए को आप यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं बेस में, m को यहाँ पे, और इक्वल टू क्या कर सकते हैं, x. ऑल्सो logarithm is the power to which a number must be raised. Logarithm is the power to which a number must be raised in order to get some other number. For the example, if you have a logarithm value of log of 100 to the base 10, log of 100 to the base, बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट आप इसको रिमाइंड रखें, याद रखें. इसको हम 2 बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, क्या मतलब है इसका, यू कैन राइट 100 power 10 power 2 is also 100, and this will come to this, okay, in multiplier. And always remind that log 10 of 10 is 1 and log of any x to x is 1. If there is in base and the value has same, then the logarithmic value of that quantity remains equal to 1, right? So to proceed further, we have to memorize some formulas based on the logarithm, and also we will see some example. Okay, so let us have some formulas. So guys, the formula one is, suppose two numbers are in multiplication, like log of mn to the base e. You can write it log of m the base e plus log of n. In the similar way, if you have, you can write also, if you have m power n, then you can write n log m to the base. Okay. So guys, let you know that there are two types of system of logarithm. First one is natural logarithm. Natural log, you can also say it log. When we use base of e की वैल्यू जो होती है बच्चों, that is 2.71. Second one is common logarithm. Common log to the base 10 we use in that. Okay. So what is the relation between natural and common? It's like that. You can say log of ex must be 2.303 log of x base 10. So this is the conversion factor, or from the natural to a common. Okay. So guys, please memorize it, because that formulas are used very frequently in the physics, and they don't require any derivation or any background. You just need to write these formulas. Okay. So let us have some example based on it. So guys, in general, log, suppose x to the base e is also written as ln, but log x to the base 10 is simply written as log of x. If there is written log, then you have to understand the base should be 10, and if there is ln, then you have to understand that the base should be e. Okay. So I am telling you some values, some important values of log, which is used very frequently, like log of 1. So what it meaning? Log 1 to the base 10 की वैल्यू कितने हो जाएंगे? 0. If I am saying log 2, मीन्स बेस 10 है ऑलरेडी, आपको ये समझ के लेना, दैट इज 0.301. log 3, that is 0.477. log 4, that is 0.6020, and the final log 5. What is the value? 0.69. You can calculate the value of ln by the relation I told you, right? So इसे आपको मेमोराइज करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Memorize the values. Why I am telling you? Because we need it. Okay, suppose some questions are, suppose they said find the value of log 8 to the base 10. Also simply you can write log 8. How would you find? So you can write log 2 power 3. You can write the value of 8 like 2 power 3. And by using this concept, log mn, n log m, ये होता था, हम इसको देख के लिख सकते हैं कि 3 log of 2. So 3 into log 2. तो log 2 की वैल्यू हमने अभी देखी है 0.301. So you can write so in the similar way you can find any value, like suppose you need log 6. So you can write log 2 into 3. Okay. Log 2 into 3, you can also write log 2 plus log 3. By the formula, log mn is written as log of m plus log of x. log 2 की वैल्यू जो है बच्चों 301 प्लस log 3 की 0.4771 ऐड कर दो, आपको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. So in such kind of problems we need the formula and the value up to 5, log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5. Okay.